So in this video, you'll learn how to install Zoom on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36 and A26. So the first step when it comes to installing Zoom is to choose where you're going to be installing it from. So you have the Galaxy Store as well as the Google Play Store. Make your choice and tap on either option to launch the app. And then from here, you want to use the search function, and then in the search bar, type in Zoom and then search. You should see Zoom appearing in the list of results, so just select it and then tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once Zoom has been installed, just tap on open to launch it, and then go through the process of setting it up, and you can now start using Zoom on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.